Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through setting up proper HTTPS on AWS step by step, so your website will have secure connection and well treated by clients' browsers. We will cover domain configuration in GoDaddy, setting up a certificate in AWS, creating a Route 53 hosted zone, setting up an EC2 load balancer, and configuring security rules. Let's get started. First, we need to have a nice domain in GoDaddy. If you don't have domain yet, it's pretty easy to find and purchase one. In this video, I will show as example my domain. Next, we need to create a hosted zone in Route 53 for our domain. Go to Route 53 from the AWS Management Console. Click on Hosted Zones, and then Create Hosted Zone. Enter your domain name and click Create Hosted Zone. Great! Now search for NS record and copy value of name servers. Go back to your GoDaddy account and navigate to My Products. Select the domain you want to use and click on DNS or Manage DNS. Scroll down to the Name Servers section and click on Change. Choose Custom and enter the name server values provided by AWS. Save your changes. Great, now our domain is set to use AWS name servers. Next, let's create a new certificate in AWS Certificate Manager. Navigate to the AWS Management Console and follow these steps. Go to AWS Certificate Manager ACM by searching for it in the Services menu. Click on Request a Certificate. Choose Request a Public Certificate and click Next. Enter your domain name. Click Next and choose DNS validation since we're using Route 53. Review and confirm your request. AWS will now provide you with a CNAME record that you need to add to your DNS configuration in Route 53. This CNAME record can be super easily created. Press Create Records in Route 53. Select Domain and save. It will automatically add required record and do validation, so your certificate will become active and valid. Now, AWS will validate your domain. This might take a few minutes. Also, we need a target group for our EC2 instances. In the load balancer setup, click on Create a new target group. Name your target group and choose the appropriate protocol and port, typically HTTP and port 80. Click Next and add your EC2 instances to the target group. Click Create. With our certificate ready, let's set up a load balancer. Go to EC2 from the AWS Management Console. Click on Load Balancers under the Load Balancing section. Click Create Load Balancer and choose Application Load Balancer. Name your load balancer, select Internet Facing, and choose the appropriate VPC and subnets. Click Next, configure security settings. Review all the settings and click on Create Load Balancer. Do not forget to select Created Target Group for HTTP Listener. In the Listener and Rules section, press Add Listener. Select Protocol HTTPS and Created Target Group. Next most important step is selecting Created Certificate. Review configured settings and press Add. With the next step, we will change existing HTTP rule. Select in Listeners and Rules section, select Rule and Edit. Choose Redirect to URL, Protocol HTTPS. Save changes. Finally, let's ensure our security groups allow traffic on ports 80 and 443. Go to Security Groups in the EC2 dashboard. Select the security group associated with your load balancer. Click Edit Inbound Rules. Add rules to allow HTTP port 80 and HTTPS port 443 traffic from anywhere, 00.00. Save the rules. If everything is done correctly and you gave some time to AWS do background job, then your domain should have proper SSL with HTTPS setup. Final verification can be done using any available SSL website checker, like on this example. And that's it. We've successfully set up HTTPS on AWS. Your site is now secure and ready to handle traffic over HTTPS and handle API calls. And that's it. We've successfully set up HTTPS on AWS. Your site is now secure and ready to handle traffic over HTTPS. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Before we wrap up, I wanted to share a couple of exciting projects I'm working on that might interest you. First up is my new mobile app designed for fitness exercises and food tracking. It's still in the early stages, and I would love to hear any feedback you have to help make it even better. Whether you're looking to stay fit or track your nutrition, this app has you covered. Download it now and join me on this journey to a healthier lifestyle. Additionally, I'm involved in a campaign for an incredible 3D browser game. We're on a mission to raise $10,000 to buy back the publishing rights and make the game available to everyone for free. Join our campaign and help us bring this exciting game back to the public. Every contribution counts. Let's make this happen together. How? Just make any purchase in the app described before. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you check out these projects. See you next time.